Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a very easy, simple kind of winter Christmas gel polish design. Very easy. I'm just going to be using one colour, foil, what else did I use? And a couple of gems. That is literally it. So I'm just going to give these nails a quick coat of base coat. I'm using Madam Glam products today. I'm going to cure that base coat in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I'm also going to give the nails a coat of this blue from Madam Glam. It's called Fresh Water. It's a beautiful colour and look at the coverage as well. These polishes are absolutely amazing. I've been really enjoying using them. I really have. So this is going to go on all of the nails except what would be the ring finger. I'm going to give that a coat of Madam Glam Perfect White. That nail is going to be getting covered up with foil, so you won't see the white. But I wanted a white under it just in case there was any gaps in the foil. It wouldn't show up so obvious, if you know what I mean. So that's going to have a coat of this Perfect White. And then I'm going to cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, that's them nails cured. Now I'm going to give them all a matte top coat. I wanted this set of nails to be matte. This Madam Glam matte top coat is beautiful as well. It's really velvety and it's my favourite matte top coat by a mile. Closely foiled by my U-Mix, but yeah, this Madam Glam velvet matte top coat is beautiful. I love it. And that's going to get cured for 30 seconds as well. Right, so I've pulled out some foils. These are from Charlie's Nail Art. I'm going to use Little Gingerbread Men, Little Gingerbread House. And this foil, I'm going to use some of the snowflakes on this. I've got a 10% off code for Charlie's as well. It's always in my description box with a link to the website. So I'm going to put foil glue on this nail that's going to have a full cover of this foil. I'm going to completely cover this nail. I just use a silicone tool and I use a bit of my finger as well. With it being full cover, you want to make sure you really rub it in. Make sure you get it down all the edges, on all the tips. And what I've done with the other foil is I've just cut out some little gingerbread men, little gingerbread houses. And I'm just going to put them in random places on all of the other blue nails. Right guys, whilst I let you watch putting these bits of foil on, I'll tell you a little bit about Madam Glam's Black Friday sale tomorrow. So obviously it's Black Friday tomorrow. Madam Glam are having a massive sale. Now there won't be no discount codes tomorrow because everything's going to be automatically discounted. But I have been given a link, and if you do use my link to go to the website to purchase anything, I will earn a little bit of commission from that. So yeah, if you are thinking of purchasing anything, that would be a really good way to support my channel and I can earn a little bit of commission from it. I think if you just went to the website in general, I think the discounts are already discounted anyway. But I just think by using my code, it will give me a percentage of it as well. I think it's something like 10%, 8%. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, I've got a little code there that'll earn me a little bit of commission in tomorrow's sale. So that's in my description box and I'll pin it in my comments as well. So yeah, unfortunately our codes won't work on top of the sale items tomorrow. But it's going to be a good one, so keep your eye out for that. So I'll stop pecking your head now and I'll let you watch this and I'll be back in a sec. Right guys, that is it. That is more or less this set done. I'm going to use the velvet matte top coat again and go over these with velvet matte top coat. Such an easy, simple design. And you don't have to do these blue, you could do them in any colour you want. Just paint your nails and stick some little bits of foil on. I think they look really, really cute. So I'm going to use a Madam Glam white pudding gel. This stuff is amazing, guys. It's my new favourite paint gel. I love it. And all I'm going to do with this is use a skinny mini dotting tool. And I'm just going to do some little white dots like snowflakey, snowdrops. Yeah, snowdrops. I'm just going to put that on a few of these nails. And that pudding gel cures for 60 seconds. So I'm using some of my Moravan rhinestone glue. I'm going to put that on the nail and then I'm going to matte top coat over it. Someone told me to put my top coat over the rhinestone glue and then I won't have to go in with a detailer brush at the end and paint my top coat around the gems, and it worked brilliantly. So I'm putting the matte top coat over that gem glue and I'm going to put my gems into it like that and just cure it like that. And then that'll be this set finished, guys. Super simple, super quick, super easy, and very cute. There we go, guys, that is them finished. I've put some little clear AB caviar beads in between them gems. I think they look really cute. Super easy set. I really, really like them. I do. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. The link to the Madam Glam Black Friday sale will be in my description box or pinned in my comments. Make sure you take advantage of that. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.